Hey PawCare family, have you ever heard your dog snoring loudly while sleeping? It's more common than you think. Dogs snore for many reasons. One reason is simply their sleeping position. Just like humans, certain positions can partially block airways and cause snoring. Some breeds, especially flat-faced breeds like pugs or bulldogs, snore more because of their anatomy. Overweight dogs may also snore because extra weight can affect breathing. Occasional snoring is normal, but if your dog snores heavily and seems restless, it could be a sign of breathing issues or sleep problems. A comfortable bed and proper weight management often reduce snoring. Most of the time, snoring is harmless. It's just your dog enjoying a deep sleep. Follow PawCare for more interesting dog care tips.